Good afternoon, everyone. Yesterday we were doing word problems of fractions. Today also we are going to continue with the word problems of fractions. All right. As I have already told you that in today's class it's going to be mixed word problems. It would contain addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, everything. All different kinds of problems that could come in exam or that come in your real life are going to be discussed today. All right. This we have already done yesterday, that Vidya and Pratap, they went for a picnic. Okay. Mom gave them 5 liters of water. Water consumed by Vidya was 2 by 5. So water consumed by Pratap would be 3 by 5. Okay. And 3 by 5 of 5 liters would be 3 liters. Okay. Now let's start with another question. Another question that we have is, in a class of 40 students, 1/5 of the total number of students like to eat rice only. Okay. Then 2 by 5 of the total number of students like to eat chapati only. Okay. And the remaining students like to eat both. Okay. So, how many students like to eat both? See, if how many students are eating rice? 1 by 5. How many like to eat chapati? 2 by 5. So 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 is 3 by 5. Now 3 by 5 are the children who either like rice or only chapati. How many are left out of 5? 2. No, 1. Okay. See once again, see here. There are 1 by 5 of the total students like to eat only rice. 2 by 5 like to eat only chapati. What fractions of the total number of them eat both? Okay, so both is given. We will have the ones who eat only rice would be 1 by 5 multiplied by 40, which is 8. The ones who eat only chapati would be 2 by 3 multiplied by 40, which we will get as 16. Okay, now what we have, we will subtract it. We will get 16 children are remaining who are, we will subtract 8 plus 16 from 40. We'll get there are 16 children who are eating both. So the fraction would be 2 by 5. Children, if you want to make it more easy, how can you do? Instead of doing all these things, this could be done orally as well. 2 out of 5 like to eat chapati. 1 out of 5 like to eat rice. That is 3 is done. How much is remaining out of 5? 2. So we can say that the remaining fraction would be 2 by 5. Is that clear, children? Next we have, by selling oranges at the rate of 6 3 by 4 per orange. Children, are what we do, we don't care about the remaining question. The very first thing we do is, as soon as we see a mixed fraction, we convert it into an improper fraction. 6 3 by 4 can be written as 4 multiplied by 6 plus 3. When I multiply 4 multiplied by 6, we get 24. 24 plus 3 gives me 27. So we have 27 by 4. Alright. Next, what is the question? The question says that by selling oranges at the rate of 6 3 by 4 per orange, a man gets rupees 378. How many oranges does he sell? Now children, you have to understand whether you'll have to multiply or divide. He is getting total rupees 378, and for one orange the price is this much. So obviously you will have to divide. What will you do? We will write that 6 3 by 4 is nothing but 27 by 4. Okay. So men gets total, he gets rupees 378. Whenever you are in confusion, just do this thing, that I sell one chocolate and 5 rupees. The total amount I get is 500 rupees. So how many chocolates do I sell? 500 by 5, that is 100. So always take such kind of examples if you're getting confused whether to multiply or to divide. Okay. Here you will write that we are going to divide 378 by 27 by 4. Okay. What have we learned, children, so far? We have learned that whenever we have division, the first number says leave me. The second sign, that is multiplication sign, says change me. So division changes to multiply. And the third thing says flip me over. Flip me over as in find the reciprocal. So 4 by 27, 27 by 4 will become 4 by 27. Okay, children. Now you can see 378 gets cancelled by 20 in the table of 9. It comes 42 times, and in the table of 9, 27 comes 3 times. Okay. Again, 42 is divisible by 3. How many times? 14 times. So we get 14 multiplied by 4. Is this clear, children? 56. So how many oranges the man is selling in all? He is selling 56 oranges. I hope this is clear to you all. See, 378 gets cancelled by 3, 9, 3 times, 42 times. We again have 1 time and 14 time. Okay. Now, there are mangoes that are sold at the rate of 43 1 by 2 per kg. What have I told you? Everything left apart. First, we'll convert mixed fraction into an improper fraction. 4 multiplied by 326 gives us 1304, plus 1 gives us 1305 by 4. Okay. What is the weight of mangoes available for rupees 326 1 by 4? Okay. 43 1 by 2 will convert, 326 1 by 4 will convert. We'll get 43 1 by 2. 2 multiplied by 43, 86, plus 1, 87 by 2. Weight of mangoes is this. Okay. 1 kg is sold for these many rupees. Total weight for how many means C. 1 kg is available for these many rupees. For these much rupees, how many mangoes would be available? We would clearly divide. Okay. First number as it is, division changes to multiplication. Second numbers reciprocal we find. Okay. Now children, here you can see what we are going to do. 2 and 4 get cancelled with each other 1 times and 2 times. 87 and 1304 get cancelled by 29 and 435. Okay. In whose table they are going? Clearly they are going in the table of 3. Okay. 3 twos are 6, 2 remains, 27 comes 9 times. 4 times 12, 1 remains, 3 times 9, 1 remains, 5 times 15. Okay. Now 29 can't be cancelled. So we will have 435 multiplied by 1, 435. 2 multiplied by 29. Okay, and then it would come as a improper fraction. We'll convert it into a mixed fraction. Is this clear, children? Next, Vikas can cover a distance of 23 2 by 3 kilometers in 7 3 by 4 hours on foot. What will we do? We'll convert it into um, improper fractions. Okay, what do we have? We have 22 by 3. 3 twos are 60. 60 plus 2 gives us 62 by 3. And 7 3 by 4 would be 4 sevens are 28. 28 plus 3 will be 31. Okay, so what we are going to do in 7 3 by 4 hours, he covers 22 by 3 distance. So how many does he cover in 1 hour? We will have to divide. We'll divide 62 by 3 as it is. Division changes to multiplication. The second number we will flip. We'll find the reciprocal. Children, you can see that 31 and 62 get cancelled. Okay, 1 times and 2 times. 3 and 4 don't get cancelled. So we will have 8 by 3. I hope this is clear. Children, 8 by 3 is an improper fraction. We'll convert it into mixed fraction and write it as 2 by 3. Is this clear, children? Next we have, see, 31 1 times, 2 times. Alright. Next, we have a film show lasted for 2 by 3 hours. Out of this time, 1 by 2 hour was spent on advertisement. What was the total duration of the film? We simply need to subtract the total time, subtract the advertisement time. We will be getting the actual time of the film. Okay. 3 threes are 9 plus 2 11, 11 by 3. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3, 3 by 2. We'll take out the LCM, it will come out as 6 and we will get 13 by 6, that is 2 1 by 6 hours. Children, remember that we find out LCM in addition and subtraction. For multiplication and division, we do not find LCM. We do it directly by cancelling. Okay. Now let me ask this question from you people. Okay. Write down the question. Write down the basic things that you have. A picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeters wide. How much should it be trimmed to fit in a frame 7 3 by 10 centimeters wide? Okay. Right, that the picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeters, the frame is 7 3 by 10 centimeters. You will have to trim the picture a bit so that it gets fit in the picture. How much will you trim it? Let me see who can answer this question of mine. Prabnu's hand is already up. Yes, Prabnu.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Of?
Ma'am, you gave not that fractions worksheet.
Okay, tell me quickly.
Yeah, ma'am, I was asking from last 2 days, but ma'am, you were not, I was not, you were not able to see. But ma'am, question number 4, I have an answer in my point. So
Prabnu, is it
point
okay if you
answers.
call me? You can call
Okay,
me and
ma'am.
ask me on that. You have my number already. Okay.
Yes,
Even in the
ma'am.
class, whenever I'm not able to answer you because of time constraints, you can give me a call. Who's going to tell me the answer quickly? Dia. Dia Kapra. Dia, you are
Show the
unmuted.
question.
You
Ma'am, can you show the question again?
see, that's what I was telling you. Okay, Dia, unmute yourself, please. A picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeters wide. Okay, it has to be trimmed to get fit into a frame which is 7 3 by 10 centimeters wide. Okay, now I quickly want the answers for this. I'm having Krishna. Yes, Krishna.
Ma'am, I was saying your voice is breaking a lot.
Beta, check the network at your end, Krishna. Navya has an answer. Yes, Navya.
Ma'am, 3 by 10.
What will you do? Tell me. What is the step that you are going to do?
First, we will convert it into fraction.
Navya, you are not audible. You are going to add, subtract, multiply, divide. What are you going to do?
Subtract.
Subtract. Very good. I found my answer. Very good, Navya. See, what you had to do, there was a larger frame, a smaller frame on which a larger picture had to be put. So what you are going to do, you are going to trim a bit. You are going to cut it. So for cutting, you'll have to subtract. Okay. And how are you going to subtract? Let us see quickly. We'll say we'll subtract 7 3 by 5 minus 7 3 by 10. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 3 gives us 38. Okay. 7 3 by 10. 10 sevens are 70 plus 3 73 by 10. Okay. The LCM of 5 and 10 would be 10. 38 multiplied by 2 gives us 76. 76 minus 73 by 10, that is 3 by 10. Now we are really good. Next we have, for a particular show in a circus, each tickets cost rupees 35 1 by 2. If 308 tickets are sold for the show, how much amount has been connected? Again, I'll come back to you. Please write the major things, okay? What is said? The cost for one ticket is 35 1 by 2. Just write that cost for one ticket is rupees 35 1 by 2. Total number of tickets sold is 308. You have to find out the total cost collected. First of all, you'll have to think whether you have to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. I hope you have written that cost for one ticket is rupees 35 1 by 2. Total number of tickets sold is total number of tickets sold is 308. You have to find out the total number of amount collected. Let me see who can give me the answer. Vipin.
Ma'am, this ma'am, first we will convert of one ticket cost into the improper fraction.
Yes. And then Vipin, I can't see you with a copy and pen. How will you solve it? I want you to solve it. Yes, Aryan Sharma.
Ma'am, we will multiply.
You will multiply. Did you multiply?
Yes, ma'am.
What was the answer that's coming?
Ma'am, 3834.
3834. Let us see, is this answer correct or not? How many of you agree with him that you will have to multiply and not divide? Please raise your thumb if you agree. Let us see. Well, Aryan is right. Okay. You are going to multiply 35 1 by 2 gives us 71 by 2 multiplied by 308. Aryan did not multiply it properly. See, you can cancel 308 by 2 how many times? 1 times, 5 times and 4, 154. When 71 gets multiplied with 154, you get 10934. So what is the total amount of collection? It is rupees 10,934. Okay. Next, we are having 9 boats are stacked on the top of each other. Means one above the other, total 9 boats are stacked. Alright. Then they are saying that the thickness of each boat is 3 2 by 3 centimeter. How high is the stack? Okay. One stack is of 3 2 by 3 centimeters and there are 9 stacks. So you will have to find the total height. The total height, this is very clear. You'll have to multiply, children. So you'll write 3 2 by 3 multiplied by 9. 3 3s are 9 plus 2 11. 11 by 3 multiplied by 9. 3 1 times 9 3 times 11 multiplied by 3 gives you 33. I hope this is clear. Let me ask this question from you. Write down the major things that you need to write. Rohit takes 4 by 5 minutes to make a complete round of a circular park. How much time will he take to make 15 rounds? For one round, he's taking 4 by 5 minutes. For 15 rounds, how much he will take? I hope you have written. Time taken by Rohit for one round is 4 by 5 meters. What would be the time taken for 15 rounds? The very first thing is you'll have to find out whether to multiply, divide, add, subtract, what? Chirag Jain.
Multiply.
Multiply? Why do you think you'll have to multiply?
Ma'am, because one digit is smaller and one is bigger.
See, it's not about smaller and bigger. The thing is for one round, he's taking this much time. So for 15, we'll have to multiply. Chirag, did you multiply?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the answer?
72.
72. Okay, let us see. Are others also getting the same answer? I can see you people saying yes. Okay, good. Kanak, no matter how high you raise your hand, everyone will get a chance, okay? And trust me, in your classes also, you're going to get the same behavior from me. You will get, I will be asking questions, you only will doing the answers. Once I'll explain, then you only have to solve. You can see your 4 by 5 can be written as 24 by 5 multiplied by 15. 5 ones are 5 stable. We get 5 ones time and 15 3 times. Okay. So 3 multiplied by 24 will be 72. Children, make sure you write the unit. Here we have written 72 minutes or 1 hour 12 minutes. You have to write the statements properly. Here I have skipped writing the statements because I thought of telling you orally. You will write proper statements. Time taken by Rohit to complete one particular round is 4 by 5 minutes. That is 24 by 5 minutes. Time taken by him to complete 15 rounds would be 4 by 5 multiplied by 15. Children, if you don't write the statements properly, your marks would be deducted. Let's see. Next is Amit weighs 35 kg. You only are going to tell me the answer, so make sure you write it. Weight of Amit is 35 kg. Kavita, who is sister of Amit, her weight is 3 by 5 of Amit's weight. Okay. You have to find Kavita's weight. Amit's weight is 35 kg. Kavita's weight is 3 by 5 of Amit's weight. I am sure this can be done orally only. Let me see who will answer. I want new children to answer. Ranveer Sisodia.
Ma'am, I'm solving.
Prabnoor.
Ma'am, 21.
21 what?
Ma'am,
Kgs.
KG.
kg.
Okay. Good. All of you got the same answer? No? What did Navya get? Navya, what did you get?
No, ma'am, actually I was late to copy the question.
Oh. Make sure as soon as I'm showing you the question, you copy it, okay? Let's go back. Don't worry, children, I have lots of questions for you. In the upcoming days, all I'm going to do is make you only solve. See, we will write properly. The weight of Amit is 35 kgs. Weight of Kavita is 3 by 5 of Amit's weight. Of means multiply. 3 by 5 multiplied 35 multiplied by 3 by 5 in 5 stable 1 times. 35 goes 7 times. 7 multiplied by 3 gives us 21. So weight of Kavita is 21 kgs. Now this is a, it might take you a bit longer time. Keep writing, I'm telling you. And don't write the entire sentence, just write the numbers, that would be sufficient for you. It is said Sapna earns rupees 24,000 per month. Okay, in 1 month, Sapna is earning rupees 24,000. She spends 7 by 8 of her income. Okay, she spends 7 by 8 of her income. Maybe she is too much into shopping or she spends a lot, and the remaining amount she saves, she puts in a bank. Okay, so they are asking how much amount does she put in the bank. I hope you have written she is earning 24,000 rupees. She's spending 7 by 8 of her income. The remaining she is putting in bank. Children, I want to see different names. Yeah, Sharanya, I can see you. Yes, Sharanya.
Ma'am, she's spending rupees 3,000. She's depositing rupees 3,000.
Very good. And how did you do it, Sharanya?
Ma'am, first we will divide that by 8 and then
Children, if I tell you, you can do this orally. See, 7 by 8 she is spending. If 7 by 8 she is spending, how much is she saving? 1 by 8. Yes or no? If she spends 7 out of 8, how much she saves? 1 out of 8, right? So 1 by 8 of 24,000 is nothing but 3,000. Or if you don't understand how have I brought this 1 by 8, what can you do? You can say, I'll tell you the entire solution like this. Sharanya, please mute yourself. See, we can do it this way. 7 by 8 of 24,000 is 21,000. So Sapna is spending rupees 21,000. How much will she deposit? Total minus her spending, rupees 3,000. Or the better way to do is, what you can do is, you can write that 7 by 8 she's spending. So clearly 1 by 8 she's saving. So 1 by 8 of 24,000 would be 3,000. This is a very important question, might come in exams, because such kind of questions, they are using your technical skills. They are combining different chapters, like they are combining area of a square along with the fractions. Each side of a square is 4 2 by 3 meters. You have to find the area. We all know area of a square is side multiplied by side. 4 2 by 3 multiplied by 4 2 by 3, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 by 3 multiplied by 14 by 3, which is 196 by 9. 196 by 9 is an improper fraction. We'll have to convert it into mixed fraction. We'll get 21/7 by 9 square meter. Children, I have been emphasizing on this again and again, that you will have to write the units. If you do not write the units, your marks would be deducted. Along with this, you'll have to write statements in this. Given side of a square field is 4 2 by 3 meters. Okay, we all know area of a square is side multiplied by side. You'll have to write all the steps, then only you'll get entire marks. Next we have, you have to find the area of a rectangular park, which is 41 2 by 3 meter long and 18 3 by 5 meter broad. Children, quickly write it. Length of a rectangular part is 41 2 by 3. Its breadth is 18 1 by 5. You have to find the area. Sorry, 18 3 by 5. I hope you have written the question. Just write length of rectangle is 41 2 by 3 meters. Breadth of that rectangular part is 18 3 by 5 meters. What is the area of this rectangular park? You want to see the question again, Prabnu? Sorry, I'm showing you the answer as well. Area of a rectangular park, the length is 41 2 by 3 meters. The breadth is 18 3 by 5 meters. Let me see. Khushbu Nagdev, I have a new name over here. Yes, Khushbu. Khushbu, tell me. Khushbu, why did you unmute yourself? Riddhima, tell me, Riddhima.
Ma'am, I'm solving.
Solving, but how will you solve? Just tell me this thing. You have length,
Ma'am,
you have
first we
breadth.
will convert. Ma'am, first
Convert
we
them
will
into improper. Okay, then.
improper.
Then
Then we'll multiply length and the breadth.
why?
Ma'am, because area of the rectangle equals length into breadth.
Very good. Keep solving. Children, I want to see new names. I don't want to see the same names again and again. Okay? Aryan Sharma, Aryan Agnihotri, Arinjay Jain, Prabnoor, Ranveer, Dhruv, Atharv, Sharanya, Vedang, Dia, Riddhima. These people know the answer. Riddhima Sadhavna. Yes, Riddhima Sadhavna.
Ma'am, first we will multiply.
Did you get the answer? Yes,
Yes,
we'll
ma'am.
multiply. Yeah, what's the answer? Tell me.
Ma'am, 775
775 what?
square meter.
Square meter. Let us see her answer is correct or not. Did you all got the same answer? Okay. See, we will write the area of a rectangular park is length multiplied by breadth. We'll convert them, we'll multiply, we'll cancel out. You can see 3 and 93 get cancelled with each other. 125 and 5 gets cancelled with each other. We get 775 square meters. Riddhima, very good. Next, we have Preeti bought 8 1/2 kg of sugar for rupees 242 1/4. find the price of sugar per kg, we simply will divide. Okay, we'll convert them into improper fractions. We will get 28 1 by 2. Okay. Next is cost of one notebook is rupees 27 3 by 4. You are going to do right now. Cost of one notebook is rupees 27 3 by 2, 3 by 4. How many notebooks can be bought for rupees 249 3 by 4? Children, the same thing. First of all, find out whether to add, subtract, multiply or divide. Okay. For one notebook, the cost is rupees 27 3 by 4. How many notebooks can be bought for rupees 249 3 by 4? Aryan Sharma. Yes, Aryan Sharma.
No, ma'am, I want to see the question.
You want to see the question? Who has got the answer? Just I want to know whether will you multiply, divide, what will you do? Bhavishya Patidar,
Ma'am, we will multiply.
you'll multiply, you sure? Bhavishya, one chocolate is for 5 rupees. How many chocolates can I buy for 500 rupees? You'll multiply 500 by 5?
No, ma'am, we will divide.
See, whenever you are stuck with problems like this, just convert them into the simple thing. And I am fan of cakes and chocolates, so I always do this. See, children, what we are going to do. Okay. We will divide 249 3 by 4 by 27 3 by 4. We'll convert, we'll get 999 by 4 multiplied by 4 by 111. Children, it is very easy to cancel out. 4 gets cancelled by 4 one times. In 111's table, 999 will come 9 times. That's very simple. We can purchase 9 notebooks. Okay. A group of students arranged for a picnic. Each student contributed for rupees 261 1 by 2. The total contribution was this much. Total students in the group, again we are going to divide. Okay, children. Next, 24 liters of milk was distributed equally among all the students of a hostel. If each student got 2 by 5 liter of the milk, how many students are there in the hostel? Just read the question. I'll just ask you whether to multiply, divide, add, subtract. Okay. 24 liters of milk was distributed. Every student got 2 by 5 liters of milk. Okay. How many students are there in the hostel? Total milk is 24 liters. It was divided equally amongst the students. One student got 2 by 5. So how much was the total milk got? Who's going to tell me adding, multiplication, subtraction, division, what has to be done? Navya Pania. Navya, yes. Yes, Navya. Multiplication. You sure, Navya? Navya, 500 liters milk was there. Every children got 5 liters. So how many children were there? Navya, answer me. 500 liters milk was there. Every student got 5 liters. So how many students were there? Will you multiply 500 by 5 or divide 500 by 5? Navya has gone somewhere. I don't know where is Navya. Who's going to tell me next what has to be done? Aryan Agnihotri.
Ma'am, 60 student.
How did you do it, Aryan?
Ma'am, by
multiplied-
dividing.
I'm very good. Very
By
good.
dividing the
Very good. I
divide.
can see iPhone X. I can see Palak. I can see many different people raising their hands, and I'm very happy that you all are participating. Okay. So let me quickly show you the answer. The time is about to get over. We still have 1.5 minutes. We can do it. See, we will Divide 24 by 2 by 5. 24 multiplied by 5 by 2, that is 60 students. Okay, children. I hope you are enjoying these interactive classes. I hope that when I am giving you questions and you are giving me answers, you love it. Yes or no? Yes, I can see the thumbs up. And children, the only thing is I'm getting only these 10, 12 names again and again. I want more participation from you people. Others don't have to just watch it as if a movie is going on. I want you all to answer. Like Palak, I saw your hand raised for the first time. This made me happy. There are many children who don't raise their hands. Twisha, you also had raised your hand. What were you about to say, Twisha? You are unmuted. Tell me.
Ma'am, the last answer.
Okay. So the thing is, I want you all to answer. All right. I am going to unmute you all for a while. I want to see that how you are finding these classes when I'm making you all answer this. Okay. Don't shout.